Game ended 1-1. I mean, you have the ascendancy in the first half, totally dominated the first half, completed several passes in the second half. What in your opinion, went wrong or didn't work?
Well, I think it was a game of the conditions. You know, it was the downhill slope we had in the first half with the wind, and they had it in the second half, and I think that dictated how the game went today.
Okay, all right. So the second thing is we noticed that the goal that was scored, it came from a free kick that came out from Richie. Is it that the defense did not win the second ball? Because there were a couple of opportunities like that when the second ball, Waterhouse won the second ball.
Well, it dropped to the guy and he hit it one touch. There's not a great deal you can do about that. It was an accurate shot. It fell to him nicely. If it had fallen 6 inches either side, he would have had a touch and we would have got to the ball. So he struck it well. There wasn't a lot we could do about that.
And then, I mean, what do you think about your team missing a couple of chances in the first half when they had the ascendancy to probably, kill the game off from in the first half?
I'd have preferred it if we'd have scored them.
Yeah. All right. I mean, going ahead in the competition, do you prefer the team playing on the grass surface, or you prefer the artificial?
It's not a preference for me. It's where the where the PFJ decide, the JPL decide where we play. It's the first time on the grass for a year, so we'll have to get used to that again. But it's not a matter of preference. You have to get on with where you're given, and you have to put your best out there on the day of the game.
All right. A couple of the other coaches said that the ball was a little bit difficult to move on the surface, and the underfoot conditions were kind of tough. It was a little bit easy on the artificial surf because of how level and smooth that is. Do you find that to be the same? Was that a factor in how your team played today?
Well, we have some. How can I say? We have some players who like to dribble the ball, and when you dribble the ball and beat people, you like a better surface because the ball goes quicker. On the artificial, it goes quicker, but that's just a case of us adjusting to the pitch. It's our home pitch, and we'll be playing on it, so we have to do better on it.
Yeah, I want to thank you for your time. Really good, like the first half performance. I think the game kind of was a little bit difficult in the second half because there were many fouls and calls and kind of slow down how you played. But good what we saw from the Mount Pleasant team, and I hope you can continue that for the rest of the season.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Dunn.
Thank you.
Okay, coach. You're still unbeaten in this competition. Your next opponent, what it would be like, or what are plans for the next game?
Well, we go home from this game, we recover from this, we review the game, we get back out on the training pitch on Monday and Tuesday, and then we prepare for the next game on Thursday and Friday. Footballers are creatures of habit, and we're into a routine now where we know what we do and how we prepare, and that will all start again on Monday.
Thank you very much, coach.
Thank you.